how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. In today's video, I'm gonna decorate the ring arch behind me, and I'm thinking to add some florals and a giant bow or two. Remember, I made this a while ago using Dollar Tree items, so this is a budget-friendly option to decorate for your party and have some fun. I'm taking you along. I hope you like it. Don't forget, press thumbs up and press subscribe button. Become my bestie. That way we're gonna be in touch, okay? Let's get started. So you can get your round arch on Amazon for around $30. Great value for so many party decoration ideas. Also, you're gonna need 2 large bows. You can buy them or make them. I like to use the Dollar Tree table runners. You only need a 1.5 roll to make one giant bow, or 3 rolls to make 2 bows. And they come in 3 colors, which is great. You can coordinate with your decor. It's a nice heavy fabric, doesn't shed, and looks really nice, high quality. So I definitely recommend making your own. Feel free to check out this video for step-by-step directions. And if you are one of my besties, maybe you made one already, please comment, let me know how do you like it. And here's a way how you can use it year-round. We are going to start off with the florals. I have a whole bunch of different flowers here and eucalyptus garlands. I have green pipe cleaners here that I cut in half, and I'm going to use them to twist tie my garlands all around the ring. All right, I have the whole ring wrapped with a eucalyptus garland. As you can see, my ring still shows through, which is fine. We're gonna be adding more and you're not gonna even notice. Besides, the gold is nice, right? I'm gonna be reusing a lot of old swags and flowers that I already have on hand. Like this little swag, we are going to attach it somewhere on the side, like this. But first, we are going to put a bow on top of it. And so whether you have a little swag or just a nice bunch of flowers, you can attach your bow to it, just like that, and then twist tie it to your arch. My bows come with pipe cleaners in the back. You can also use zip ties if you prefer. And here's another little swag that I'm gonna attach my bow on top. It's just helps me hold up the bow. Of course, you can attach the bow directly to the ring, but I think it adds a little bit more support and also, more interest. And let's tie it on the other side, a little bit towards the bottom. We are halfway there already. We are going just to add some pretty flower stems. Make like a small bouquet in your hand. As you can see, I have a couple peonies here, or roses, whatever you might have. This was actually a rose garland that I can just tangle in here to add a little bit of pink. And just insert that behind the bow. You see, like a small bouquet. And you have pipe cleaners over there already because you tied your eucalyptus garlands, so just reuse them. Twist tie a couple times. I'm just making sure that my Tweety bird doesn't cover the camera over here, that you can still see it. She likes to sit on my camera stand. And as you can see, already adds some interest to it. And depending how much you have, you can add more or less. And since I still have some cherry blossoms here, I'm gonna just continue adding. But this is pretty neutral color palette that could be used for so many different occasions. I'm gonna share some pictures with you towards the end for some ideas. You can also insert some stems from the bottom, just like this. And for now, I'm not gluing anything. I'm not tying it down all the way. But once I'm happy with the result, I'll do that. Okay, this is cute. So, I'm going to use the pipe cleaners that I have already there to secure some flowers. You can also use a floral wire. You can also use hot glue, depending, how permanent you want to make your decoration. For example, these single stems, I'm just going to use a little bit of hot glue to secure them in place. Okay, I have one more stem I want to insert above here. So I'm just going to tie it down with a pipe cleaner. Okay, one more bouquet for the other side. So whatever you have, roses, peonies, some cherry blossoms, just make a nice arrangement in your hand, and then we are going to attach it up there. Okay, let's insert it right there behind our giant bow. Never enough greenery, guys. So have some extra ferns or eucalyptus on hand, anything like that. I don't have any more stems to insert there, but I have these little garlands that I can wrap around there and make it a little bit more fuller. Of course, secure everything, whether it's a pipe cleaner or a wire. And I have one more of those garlands that I'm gonna wrap around the top as well. It's good to have some drooping flowers like wisteria, and I'm just gonna hot glue them in single blooms here and there so they're like overflowing. Let's add a few more on the opposite side as well. I also have some of these golden leaves, leftovers from an old project. I think they'll be a cute little accents, tying in with those giant bows that I have. So I'm just gonna hot glue these leaves here and there. Since I still have some wisteria blooms left over, I decide to just insert them in between two of my bows, hanging down. It's like you don't really need it, but it's a cherry on top. And that will be it for today. I hope you like this neutral idea for the ring decor. I made it for my friend's 49th birthday, but this could be used for many other occasions where her granddaughter turned one. She only added some butterflies and balloons and repurposed the whole decor. Isn't that wonderful?